everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of October 15th to the 21st in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We are going to be using this kit. It's called Loyal. It is a Harry Potter inspired planner girl kit, and I'm very excited to be using this. My PR girl Jody, she actually used the same kit this week, so I'm going to link her Instagram down below, so you might want to go check her out. She's got coupon codes for my shop, and you get her freebie if you use her name. So yeah, you can check out her spread and see what she did with this kit as well. So I started off with the bottom washi. I just wanted to use the one right in the kit because I liked the bows and I didn't want to cut them up, and it wouldn't look like bows, I don't think, anymore if I did that. Then I'm doing something a little different this week. I'm starting with my sidebar. So I put in the Loyal coffee cup full box down for my quote box. Then I'm just putting some Simply Gilded down to separate that. Now I haven't planned in like 2 weeks, so I have to keep looking back at my previous spread because I totally forgot how I do my sidebar. I think not doing my full boxes first threw me off quite a bit because I felt odd planning this week. But then once I got into the day-to-day, then I felt so much better. So maybe it was just doing the sidebar first that was throwing me off. So I put a half box down to mark my highlight for the week that I'll fill in later. Then I took some more Simply Gilded washi, and then a dinners header and a weekly sidebar box to mark my dinners. Last I'm going to put down a next week header and a 3-heart checklist for things that are coming up next week. And at the very bottom there, just taking some washi strip from the kit to fill in that little space at the bottom there. So now I'm just going to go in and put in all my dinners for the week. So this week was pretty good. We had a lot of time to do things with the kids this week, which was really fun. The main thing that we did this week was we made Halloween cookies with my sister. It was super fun and the kids were hilarious doing it. So now I'm just going to go in and put in all my full boxes for the week. I put that double box in on the weekend, and I'm just trying to stagger the boxes to separate the flowers and the non-flower boxes. And then I'm going to stagger the glitter headers on top just like I usually do, and then I'll come check in with you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have gone in and put all my full boxes and glitter headers in. I also went in and put the flags from the kit in the top corners there. Now I'm just putting in the date squares for the date covers at the top, and I'm just whitening them out because the date covers are pretty light and I know that that's going to show through, and so I'm just going to do that quickly. You'll see me in this spread adjusting the planner a lot and kind of pressing down a lot. I think my it's becoming the end of the year and my planner is getting so thick. So I feel like it doesn't lay down as nicely as it used to. So I adjust it constantly. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, so now we're going to go in and move on to the day-to-day. So starting on Monday, it was my daughter's piano lesson. So I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit as well as a music note from my shop to mark her piano lesson. Watching her go to piano lessons is so cute. I love that she's learning, she's now learning like the names of the keys, not just learning like which finger goes where. It's so cute. So now I'm putting down some Simply Gilded washi to separate. I really want to use this white with the gold washi because I felt like this kit was going to be pretty dark because there's a lot of like darker brown and darker yellows. So I wanted to use some of the white to kind of lighten it up. I originally used a small piece of washi, then realized that I had room for a bigger piece, so I switched that out. I also put a laptop and work script sticker down to mark that I printed and cut. That is something that I did basically the entire day, so I really want to mark that. Then I took a flag from the kit and a paint nail sticker from my shop, and I just kind of wrote in the time to mark that I got my nails done that day. Then I took a piece of Simply Gilded washi to separate that. I like that mustard color. I think it went super good with the kit. Then I took a quarter box from the kit and I used a plan sticker from the functional sheet to mark that I planned out my week. A little late, but it's better than never, right? Then I took a preschool sticker from my shop to mark that my kids had preschool that day. Then in the morning while my son was in school, me and my daughter watched the movie Tangled and I designed at the same time. So I tried to mark designing with a flag, but I really wanted to use a movie marquee, so I was kind of seeing how much room I had. So I put down the movie marquee first, and then I found I didn't like that flag there because I was going to use this little Miso Co guy for the designing, but I didn't like how that looked, so I took the flag off. And then I just ended up using a laptop from my shop to mark designing. I think it looks a lot better. It's a lot more airy and spacious. So yeah, I watched Tangled with her, so I marked that down. And then I did a lot more printing and cutting in the afternoon, so I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark that. Then in the evening is the day that we baked our Halloween cookies. So I took a half box from the kit and then I had a bake sticker from my shop that I put down and then just kind of wrote Halloween cookies down on there. But I really wanted to make it a little bit more festive, so I had this Halloween sampler from Busy Lizzie Plans and I thought it was perfect for this. So I took the little ghost from that sampler to put down there. For Wednesday, I took a quarter box from the kit. Oh, sorry, I forgot that I put a little piece of washi to separate that. I thought it was just a little bit too much white space there. Sorry, back on Wednesday. Now we're going to put in that quarter box and layer that with a grocery shopping sticker from my shop. Then I took that flag that I originally tried to use on Tuesday and a Miso Co little guy with his laptop to mark that I did some more designing that day. Then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark that I did printing and cutting in the afternoon. For the second half of the day, I took some arrows from the kit and a meal plan sticker from my shop. A little out of order from the grocery shopping, but I did do meal planning first. I don't know why I put it in this order, but that's okay. Then I took a half box from the kit because I wanted to put this movie night sticker on top to mark that my friends came over for a movie night. I wanted to mark that me and my friend also did some puzzling in the evening, but I don't have any puzzle stickers, so I'm pretty sure those are going to be coming to the shop pretty soon, because I definitely need them. So on Thursday, I put another preschool sticker down, and then I watched a lot of Gilmore Girls in the morning, so I took a TV icon from my shop to mark that. And then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark working that day. And then I wanted to separate it, so I took a small piece of washi from the kit to separate that. For the bottom half, I ended up getting some new glasses this day. So from my eye doctor sheet, I think that's what it's called, eye appointment, there are these little glasses on there, and they are so cute, and so I use that to mark my new glasses. In the evening was Planner Club, so I went and took a quarter box from the kit to mark that, and I just took a little book icon from the kit, and then I just wrote Planner Club in there. I ended up changing that out because I thought it looked kind of boring, so I had this little girl with her book or her planner from plannerbomb.com, and she's just so cute. I've never used these vinyl stickers before, so it's pretty interesting. They have a very different feel to them, and they come up very differently, so it's pretty interesting. Then I took this little guy from a sampler from Stationery by Minnie. I had a terrible headache this day. It was so painful, and I'm pretty sure it was from my new prescription in my glasses. I didn't really take it easy and kind of do nothing that day, which I should have because my one eye went up quite a bit. On Friday, I took a speech therapy sticker to mark that my son had speech that morning. Then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that me, my mom, and the kids went to the city for the day. And I wanted to take this heart checklist to kind of write down the places that I went to. So I cut it down to 2, and I put down Michael's and the fact that I got a new purse. We went to a couple other places too, but those really were my highlights for that day. So then for the second half of the day, we went to our friend's house and we played some games. So I took a half box from the kit and another Games Night sticker from my shop. Because I didn't really do anything else that day, I kind of wanted to fill that bottom space up. So I put the box in the middle, which I end up moving a little bit, and then I filled either side with Simply Gilded washi. So I did the top side with that cocoa, I think it is. Guys, I really don't know the name of it. It's just this dark brown color. And then I put the half box down, the mustard down at the bottom. And then I just kind of put the half box down again. I just really wanted to fill that whole space in because I really didn't do much more than that day. So on Saturday, I went for breakfast with my dad. So I took some arrows from the kit to mark that. And then I took some Simply Gilded washi to separate, and I used that white washi again. And I was able to use the bigger, the 15 millimeter, washi to fill that in. So then that day, I was incredibly lazy. I don't know. I think I just had a busy day yesterday, and I didn't know. I was just so lazy. I can't believe it. So I ended up watching Sims on YouTube basically all day. So I took a TV icon to mark that, and then I just took a piece of washi and took that lazy day sticker to mark that my day was so lazy. Then I took a quarter box from the kit, and I wanted to mark that I did some planning for the next week. So I had this planning time sticker from Busy Lizzie Plans sheet, and I wanted to mark it. So I took a heart icon in that quarter box there to mark that I did some planning. And then I went to visit my parents in the evening, so I took a coffee cup from the kit to mark that I visited my parents. For Sunday, I took a church sticker from my shop to mark that we went to church that morning. And then I took a half box from from the kit to mark that my sister came over and I helped her with her homework. Because we have to do her homework on the computer, I took this little computer icon from the kit. In the evening, me and my husband ended up watching a movie. We watched the movie Ready Player One. That movie is so good. I really, really liked it. It was so good. So if you haven't seen it yet, definitely go watch it. Then I took a quarter box from the add-on sheet and a rake leaf sticker from the fall bucket list sheet. My kids were outside in the morning and I wanted to rake in the evening, and I wanted to rake some leaves in the front yard. So now I'm just going to go in and put the highlight for the week. I wanted to take some more of those bats from the Busy Lizzie Plans Halloween sampler sheet to mark that my highlight was the Halloween cookies. I think that was just super fun and I really enjoyed that. Now I'm going to take the deco sheet that came with this kit and I'm just going to go put it on top. I've never done this before. I've never had a kit with deco before, so I thought this was pretty fun. So I'm just kind of staggering them and putting them sporadically, kind of leaving them so they're half on and half off the page, and then I'm just going to go in and cut off the top there. I know a lot of people plan this way and they've done this for so long, but I've never used deco, so this was pretty fun to me. So then I just put some more flowers down on the next week section, and then I thought I really didn't like how that planning time section looked on Saturday, so I took that script text sticker and I ended up layering that with one of the planners from the deco sheet, and I think that looks so cute. So if you guys are ever wondering what to do with deco, if there is some functional stuff like washi or coffee cups or planners, that is great stuff for putting into your spreads. So now I'm just going to go in and cut off the top of the planner just to cut down those stickers a little bit. I really like how this turned out. I think it's so cute, and I'm definitely going to be using this technique for other kits that I have with deco in there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!